Alright guys, so what we have in this video is a steel storage cabinet. We just ordered off Amazon. I'm not sure the dimensions of it, but you know, we can go over those I guess once we get it put up. Oh, hey, look, it says right here 88 inches. Is that right? Oh, 188 inches tall by 49 inches wide and 14 deep. 102 pounds. Alright, let's put this together. And the reason we needed this is we're about to start diving into a lot of builds, and we go through a lot of PV blaster, brake clean, WD-40, just a lot of that stuff. And I have a dedicated cabinet just to you know, kind of store this stuff, stock it up, that way we have it on hand and we're not making multiple trips to the parts store. But anyways, let's get right into it.